Rob Mac.
What up, team? It's Rob Mac from M3 Beats. Today I recorded a sound clip of the 335 with its current mods. I still have the stock OEM BMW catback exhaust that came with the car from the factory, and I've also installed Evolution Raceworks high flow catted downpipe. But back when I blew my turbo last May, I also blew out the cats out of that pipe, so I just yanked the cat out, and now it's a catless downpipe. The blown OEM turbo was replaced with a pure turbo stage 2 turbo and a high flow inlet. Other modifications include an Evolution Raceworks competition intercooler and hard piping to go with that, so charge pipe, turbo pipe. All of that is now replaced with billet aluminum instead of the factory plastic. And then I have the Go Fast Bits DV Plus diverter valve upgrade, as well as a carbon fiber intake from Turner Motorsports. So basically, outside of the turbos and the intake and the upgraded downpipe, my catback exhaust system is completely stock, and this is what it sounds like. Be sure to hit the like button on the video, subscribe to my channel to keep up with my build, and follow me on Instagram for the latest updates.